If you've ever dipped your toes into higher level math, you've probably heard of the legendary Princeton Lectures in Analysis. Today, we're looking at complex analysis by Elias Stein and Rami Shakarchi. Just by holding this book, you know you're in for some serious, elegant mathematics. What makes this book a masterpiece is how it bridges the gap between basic calculus and graduate level analysis. This book doesn't just drill you on complex numbers, it guides you through the beautiful geometric spirit of the subject, from Cauchy's theorem to conformal mappings. As we flip through, notice the layout. The proofs are famously clean, and the explanations are incredibly lucid. Stein's lecturing style shines through on every page. It's challenging for sure, but it never feels intentionally obscure. The exercises at the end of each chapter are legendary. They aren't just homework, they actually extend the theoretical nature of the mathematics. Whether you are studying for a master's exam like I was, researching, or just trying to understand the deeper magic of the complex plane, this is widely considered the gold standard textbook. It's absolutely beautiful, rigorous, and a must have for any math lover's bookshelf. Have you tackled this one yet? Let me know down in the comments.